So the first question बघा काय आहे, choose the correct sentence from the following. Option A, he visited the temple. Option B, he was visited the temple. Option C, he are visiting the temple. And option D, he were visiting the temple. So you have to guess what is the correct option. And the correct option is A, he visited the temple. This is simple past tense. Now, here in B, he was visited the temple is wrong because this should be visiting. Okay, this should be visiting past continuous tense. C, he are visiting the temple. For he, we don't use are. In D, he were. For he, we don't use were, we use was. So this is also wrong. So let's go to the next question. Option A, she reads a book every evening. B, she is read a book right now. C, she read a book tomorrow. And the D is, she will read a book later. So choose the correct option. And the correct option is A, she reads a book every evening. Now, why B is the wrong? She is read. It should be reading. Okay. Then it will be a present continuous tense. She read a book tomorrow. So this is simple, quite simple present tense, but it is tomorrow is written here. So this is wrong. This will be future. D, she will reading a book later. She will reading, will be, it should be will be. Will be is the right, but B is not mentioned here. So this is also wrong. So go to the next third question. Option A, they will go to the party yesterday. They went to the party last night. They go to the party now. D, they is going to the party later. So choose the correct option. And the correct option is they went to the party last night. This is simple past tense. In A, what is the problem? They will go to the party yesterday. So future tense is used, but yesterday is written. So this is past. Yesterday is past. In C, they go to the party now. So now they have written now here, but now is written in the simple present continuous tense. So here it should be is, am, are, but is, am, are is not written here. D, they is going. For they, we use are, not is, because they is plural. Therefore, is wrong. Next, fourth, option one, I watched a movie last week. I watch a movie now. I will watch a movie tomorrow. I were watching a movie yesterday. So choose the correct option. Option one, I watched a movie last week. This is the right answer, simple past tense. In second, what is wrong? I watch a movie now. Now is written there. So this should be I am watching a movie now, but this is wrong. C, I will watches a movie tomorrow. Tomorrow is written and will is also written. But if you see the verb watch becomes watches. This happens in simple present tense. For positive sentences, watch watches. So not in future tense. So this is wrong. D, I were watching the movie yesterday. So here for I, we don't use where, we use was. So this is also wrong. Next, fifth question, option A, he doesn't like ice cream. Option B, he not liking ice cream. Option C, he does not like ice cream. Option D, he isn't like ice cream. Choose the correct option. And the correct option is A, he doesn't like ice cream. In B, what is wrong? He not liking ice cream. So here don't doesn't is not mentioned. So this is wrong. He does not like. Liked is wrong. Ed. Okay, ed is wrong. Ed is not used. In last sentence, he isn't like ice cream. So isn't is wrong here, and you will have to use it doesn't. He doesn't like ice cream. So option A is right. Sixth, option A, he will finish the project next month. Option B, we finished the project this month. Option C, we finished the project last month. Option D, we finished the project today. So here you will have to choose the correct. And the correct option is A, we will finish the project next month. This is simple future tense. So here in B, what is wrong? We finishing. So in between we and finishing, there should be is, am, are, was, were, or will be. That is continuous tense. In C, we finished the project last month. So here, finished is the verb and its second form is finished. Ed is written, but here ed is not mentioned in the finish. And D, we finished the project today. Here also, it should be simple past tense. Ed must be used before finish or after finish. So this is also wrong. Seventh is option A, she is going to the store now. Option B, she go to the store yesterday. Option C, she went to the store tomorrow. And option D, she will go to the store later. So choose the correct option. Correct option is A, she is going to the store now. This is present continuous tense. In the second, what is wrong? She go to the store yesterday. So she went to the store yesterday. This is the right answer. So instead of go, use went. In C, she went to the store tomorrow. So went is taken here, but tomorrow, the word tomorrow is also taken. That is, it is used in simple future tense or future tense, but here they have written went is the verb, so it is simple past tense. D, she will goes to the store later. Now here goes is verb and goes is written in simple present tense, and in simple present tense will is not used. Or either you can tell that Goes is wrong word. Go should be the right one. Option A of eighth question. They went playing soccer at night. They were playing soccer at the park. B, they play soccer at the park now. C, they play soccer at the park last night. D, they will play soccer at the park yesterday. So choose the correct option. And the right option is they were playing soccer at the park. What is wrong in B? They played soccer at the park now. Here, they plays. This is simple present tense, but now word is written. Now means present continuous tense. So this is wrong. They play soccer at the park last night. So they play soccer. This is right. Simple present tense, but they have written last night. This is wrong. They will play soccer at the park yesterday. So yesterday is written. This is simple future tense, but yesterday is written. This is wrong. Next, ninth. Option A, he is not studying for the test. B, he not studying for the test. C, he does not study for the test. D, he does not studied for the test. So you will have to choose the correct option. And the right option is A, he is not studying for the test. This is present continuous tense, but negative question, negative sentence. In B, what is wrong? He not studying for the test. So is MR is not taken. C, he does not studying. Studying is the wrong. ING doesn't come in simple present tense. When there is does, do or does. So verb ing doesn't come. In D, he does not studied for the test. So here again, does not is taken, but studied, this is also wrong. So it should be study. He does not study for the test. And the last one, 10th, option A, she will visit her grandparents next week. B, she visiting her grandparents this weekend. C, she visit her grandparents yesterday. D, she visit her grandparents now. So choose the correct option. This will be your last. And the correct option is she will visit her grandparents next week. So this is simple future tense. In B, option B, she visiting her grandparents this weekend. So this is is MR is not taken. So because visiting and subject is she, a verb is ing. So is MR, was, where, will be is not taken here. In C, she visit her grandparents yesterday. So yesterday is taken, but this sentence looks like simple present tense, everyday action. So if it is everyday action, then why there is need of yesterday? So yesterday word is wrong here. She visit her grandparents now. So here also now is taken, same case. Now is not taken here. So this is all about the mistakes I have explained to you. I hope you liked all those explanations. And if you really like, please like the video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will get a new video notifications. So thank you very much.